Do you really think it? Have you not concluded? Is that better? Is that the better introductory scene of Jannah? Nuzul, remember Nuzul? Early scene? Introductory hospitality? Is that not better as a Nuzul? Am shajaratu zuqum? Or do you think the tree of Zuqum is better as the introductory punishment of Hellfire? The early snack, the hospitality of Hellfire, is shajaratu zuqum. Zuqum is kind of like a, what's that plant in the desert that Wile E. Coyote keeps smacking his face into? Cactus. It's kind of like cactus, except it grows buds on top of it. So it's the cactus itself that's green, and it's got green, orange kind of outgrowths coming on top, and each of them have their own thorns too. It's a very thorny and a sour plant. Even if you got rid of all the thorns and you tried to eat it, it's almost poisonous. This is the tree of Zuqum. This is the early snack. This is just getting started in Jannah. إِنَّا جَعَلْنَاهَا فِتْنَةً لِلظَّالِمِينَ. We have made it as a trial, as a test for wrongdoers. Why is a test for wrongdoers? This is a test for wrongdoers not only in akhirah, just a test, how much can you take, and then we'll take you deeper levels. But also in dunya, whenever the tree of Zaqum is mentioned in Qur'an, disbelievers said, what kind of tree is this? You yourself said in Qur'an, what do you make from tree? Fire. And fire consumes the tree. What kind of tree is this? It's in a fire that's more intense than any other fire, and this tree survives and grows and grows and grows? Yeah, sure. That makes sense. Allah says, yeah, you keep saying that, keep making fun of it, so that the tree of Zaqum is growing for you. The one you made fun of. And when you open your mouth to laugh, you keep your mouth open, you'll stick some Zaqum in there. إِنَّهَا شَجَرَةٌ تَخْرُجُ فِي أَصْلِ الْجَحِيمِ. It is a tree that comes out of the root of hell. From the asl, from the origin, from the very depth of hell, this tree extends all the way to the top, where the entrance into hellfire is. طَلْعُهَا, its stem and its major branches, كَأَنَّهُ رُؤُوسُ الشَّيَاطِينَ, as though they're heads of devils. This vicious, nasty looking thing, with the trees themselves, the fruits themselves, and the branches at the very tips, instead of having fruits, it's heads of devils with spikes on them that these people are made to eat. فَإِنَّهُمْ لَآكِلُونَ مِنْهَا. Then they, no doubt about it, are going to be eating from it. فَمَالِئُونَ مِنْهَا الْبُطُونَ. Then the stomachs are going to be filled with them. You see, in Jannah we learned that the drink comes and you're not filled. You're not dried up, or you're not overfilled. You keep on taking more. And here, it gets filled. ثُمَّ إِنَّ لَهُمْ عَلَيْهَا لَشَوْبًا. Then when they eat that fruit, they're like, drink, please. The thorns are tearing away at my insides. I need something to drink. Then on top of that, they're going to have shawban, a mixture, a cocktail. Shawb is actually used for mixing. And it's used, one of the words for honey in Arabic is sha'ib. Why? Because the Arabs will mix it with everything. Mix it with water, mix it with milk. It's a mixture. It's something you mix in. And they're going to get a drink which has other things in it, but one of the things that's mixed in it is min hamim. It's got a mixture made of pus. Of pus in it. That's what they're given to drink. ثُمَّ إِنَّا مَرْجِعَهُمْ إِلَى الْجَحِيمِ. Then they are taken to Jahim. That was just the introductory snack. That was just getting warmed up. ثُمَّ إِنَّا مَرْجِعَهُمْ لَإِلَى الْجَحِيمِ. You see, the guy that he saw in the middle of hell wasn't eating from the tree of Zaqum. He wasn't drinking that. He was in the middle already. He was in the worst of it. That's beyond description. What can be described, Allah already did. That's just the starting point. That's the lobby in Hellfire. Just the lobby. Then you're taken inside.